Your friends might be keeping you broke. Wrong circle, wrong money mindset, wrong results. Surrounding yourself with spenders kills your wealth. Talk growth, not gossip. Your money will follow. Let's break 9 habits that keep people poor. Subscribe now. This channel helps you build wealth. I studied finance for over 10 years. I learned more managing my own money. Bad money habits kept me stuck financially. Here are 9 habits to break today. 1. Paying yourself. Last. Poor people pay bills first. Save last. Rich people pay themselves first, not last. Take 10% and move it immediately. Treat savings like a non-negotiable bill. That's how wealth is built over time. 2. Living with bad debt. Credit cards aren't for buying groceries. If you can't afford it, don't buy. Debt should build assets, not buy stuff. Bad debt keeps people broke for years. Avoid it unless it's absolutely necessary. 3. No emergency savings. Life happens. Be ready financially. Save at least 6 months of expenses. Start small. Build your safety buffer. Emergency funds give peace of mind. 4. Not tracking expenses. You can't fix what you don't track. Lifestyle inflation kills most people's wealth. Know your income, spending, and goals. Clarity brings control over your money. 5. Expensive hobbies and shopping sprees. Fancy hobbies can bleed your bank account. Wealthy people enjoy, but do it wisely. Fun isn't bad, but budget it. Balance spending and saving every time. 6. Only focusing on saving. Saving is important, but not enough. There's a limit to how much saving. Income has no cap. Focus there too. Invest, build skills, start a side hustle. 7. Paying too much in taxes. Learn legal ways to reduce taxes. Use ISAs or Roth IRAs to grow. Wealthy people use smart tax strategies. Understand taxes and save thousands yearly. 8. Waiting too long to invest. Start investing early, even small amounts. Time beats money in long-term investing. Inflation is stealing your banked savings. Put your money to work today. 9. No financial plan. Dreaming without planning leads nowhere fast. Set goals. Know your financial destination. Track your steps and build with intention. Don't hope for wealth. Build it deliberately. Which habit hit you the hardest? Comment below. Let's talk real money. Subscribe if you're serious about wealth. Share this video with someone struggling. Let's grow together and break poverty cycles.